So today I think we are making burger. First thing we put here is giniling. Okay, giniling. Then first we need all of the pamintang. We need all of the pamintang pina right here. First the giniling, then all of the pamintang pina, then all of the ginisa mix. Okay, so we need to blender carrots with sibuyas. That's all. We have to blend it all and put it here. Put it here into our giniling. That's good. Our blender doesn't want to blend the carrots and the sibuyas, so we're gonna blend the giniling.
Huwag mo ka-ano yan, huwag makakainin yan, ako madumi yan. Kaya na yan.
Kayo mo yan, madali. So, yeah.
Wait lang ha, huwag mo muna galawin. Ayun, naano na.
And then,
Ayun, na-blend na yung carrots na pang malalaki. Okay, bili na talaga ako ng food processor.
Mado?
Okay, last.
Okay.
Okay.
Go.
Sige, sige. Sige, stop. Nasira yata yung blender.
So, yeah. Let's wait for it to process. You're back here. You and me. Okay, there it is. Wait,
Tabi ka dyan, Ram. Meron pang hindi na.
That's
Food processor talaga dapat. Hindi pala pwede ang blender.
I'm excited.
Hindi ko alam.
Here it is. Okay. Oh, wag mong babasagin.
Ito lang muna. Pakulahin ko na ito. Okay. Cut ko yung ibang carrots na lang na hindi naman na-blender. Parang isa lang yung nakita kong hindi masyadong na... Yung nga, ano na.
Ano pa? Maghanap ako. So, we're gonna look for big carrots. Tanong ko yung matay nila.
Halika dyan, Dra. Matatawa ka lang.
Ay,
Tina.
uh,
Wala na yata. Pwede na siguro yan.
okay. Namog mo ito lang.
Hindi kasi ako.
Video.
Lagyan mo ng egg.
Egg? Okay. Kunin mo yung egg, Ram. Next is is the egg.
Tapos yung harina.
Ate, dito sa ulo. Ay, masakit yun.
Tulo.
May nakikita siya mga panood niyo. There you go.
Tapos yung harina na si harina.
Hurry. No, this. I think it's this. No, ito lang.
Hindi yung sabon yan, tulo.
And then, next one.
Hindi.
Next thing to put is this one.
Ano yan?
Harina.
Ang Tagalog sa English.
The flour? Okay, next
The
thing to put
breadcrumbs na.
is flour. Dami yung breadcrumbs. Dami yung breadcrumbs. Give. That's a nice helper. Now we mix. Mix. Should I mix? Okay. Next thing to do, to mix it with breadcrumbs.
Pwede yung sabon.
Okay. To mix some more.
Parang ano, nakita ko nilalagyan nila ng Bear Brand. Hindi kang Bear Brand, swak.
Bear Brand. I'll be right back. Magkano yan, ma?
Wala ko, Bebe. Bubusin na natin ang paminta. Sige, mabilis lang. Uwi agad. Okay?
Oo, sige nga. Bilisan mo lang.
Kulang ng egg. Egg at saka wala nang gilis na.
I got it.
Egg pa.
Egg? Ilan po?
Isa na lang.
Isa. Kulang pa akong bibig.
Kunti lang yata ito. Pwede na ba to? Tingin mo. Dagdagan pa natin to.
Dagdagan. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
O kaya ano mo. Ito. Manipis na lang gagawin sa buo.
I got it.
Ano?
Lagay ko na yung egg na. There. Now, mix. Tapos, lulutuin mo na lang. Tapos na? Okay, akala ko i-flat pa natin gamit yung kamay.
Hindi. Pwede namang i-flat na dun habang niluluto. Hindi na lang kakamayin pa.
Oh no. I think that's okay na.
Kakahalo mo. Ang dami pa dito ng carrots na buo.
Okay. Haluin pa. This is healthy burger. 10 minutes na agad.
Hindi, nakakaroon.
10 minutes and 7 seconds.
Anong bibilin mo lang? Ako punta.
Mix,
Anong
mix.
bibilin mo?
This is,
15 yan, 15.
it's supposed to look like this. Like that. Oh, my phone. Okay, I think yours should look like this. I know it's supposed to look like that. So yeah. Let's do it. Let's do it. Mix, mix, mix. Mix it with all you got. Let's put this here first. It's like making pizza. It's like this is the dough and you're supposed to mix it because it's so hard. It's red. And all you have to do is, after you mix, all you have to do is like just cook it. And when you're cooking it in the frying pan, you have to make it flat to make it look like a real burger. And this is healthy burger. Healthy burger. Getting it flat. I might need a little help. Ram! Gusto mo ko help? Gusto mo ko help? Aww. He doesn't want to help. Ayaw mo mag-help eh. May mix lang to.
May tumigaw na ako.
Yes, you got the donut.
Luto mo din?
No, my brother is sleeping.
Ayaw mo
Ay,
din?
what? My father is sleeping. That white thing over there is our CCTV. Because my mom works office. Ram, tutulog si Papa dyan.
Saan si Mama?
Hindi pa siya pumasok. Nandun pa ata siya sa tindahan. Because my father,
Dito po hanggang si Mama.
tingnan mo siya, andun lang siya sa labas. Okay, so my father sleeps and when he is sleeping or when he's doing something, when he's busy and or when he's sleeping and we're right here, my mother will watch us from the CCTV. And yeah. Pwede na to, ma? Ha? Ano, ma?
Wait.
Okay. I'm gonna use both hands to do this.
Yan.
I mixed it
masyado yata
very
ano.
well.
Masyado yata malambot. Mag-try tayo.
Di ba maganda yun? Ano mag-try tayo?
Mag-try tayo magluto.
Try tayo magluto. Right now?
Nakita mo ko to.
We're gonna cook this. Meron pa siya mga sibuyas, oh.
Hindi.
Pwede na to? Okay. Oh, no.
Sige, naglalaban ako. Ibaba mo yan dyan dito.
Where?
Ibaba mo dito yan.
Okay.
Tindahan dito.
time to cook. Cook.